to see a young Ugandan investor who chooses to invest in a project like this, to give a facility to Uganda, to the young Ugandan. And many times you find African countries think they can't do things themselves. They have to always wait for people to come from elsewhere to do the work for them. So this gives us a lot of pride to know that this is done by a Ugandan, and all the young people can come here, and all the other people can even come from abroad and come and have a sports facility like this one. The Ugandans will always know that it is something to be proud of. And you're giving an example to those who are coming after you to know that really it is time we start doing things ourselves. That's how countries grow. You know, we look at developed countries and we think we can't do anything like that. But when people know and they are confident of themselves, they build their own countries. When you wait for others to do it for you, the countries never develop because they have other things to think about of their own countries. That's why Africa has waited this long. But this is the time now to have a new generation that is motivated. That is why NRM leaders fought that Uganda can see that Africans can do things themselves. So I come here on behalf of government. I know that we will have an opportunity when the president will come himself. But on behalf of a sector which stands for government, I come here to say thank you. And since you have done what you have already put here for us to see, we can be confident that it will be complete. Okay? So thank you so much.